Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to trade using a very powerful indicator to catch pullbacks on trends. Also, be sure to stick to the end of the video as I'll be showing you how to increase your profitability. First thing you need to do is go to the indicators page and look for Auto Harmonic Patterns V2 by He Who Must Not Be Named. Select this indicator and you should be able to see this harmonics pattern as well as the entries and the target prices, also the stop loss. If you do not see any of this, it means you shouldn't be trading as there is no setup currently available on the chart. First thing you need to do before making any trade is to look on the left hand side of the chart to identify what are the trend. So in this case, I'm looking at the bearish trend and currently is in a consolidation area. So my bias to take trades would be to sell or short the current pair that I'm looking at. Now the next step is to mark the supply or resistance. So there are few supply resistance here, but I'll be taking this topmost resistance because it aligns with the left hand side supply area here. So I'll mark this zone here. Now once I've marked the zone, if there's a signal showing that entry is within the zone, I will place my order here. So I'll put a short order, put my stop loss on the stop price as suggested by the indicator, and put my target at least at target 1 or maybe target 2 if I'm feeling confident. Now you might miss some trades as price might not be reaching here and then just keep on going with the trend, but that's alright. We are not here to chase prices, we are here to trade based on plans. Now let's see how this plays out. So our order got activated and now we wait for the price to either hit our stop loss or our target. As you can see, the price immediately hits our target a few candles later. Now let's see if we can find more setups using this. Now as you can see here, there's a setup here, but I wouldn't be taking this trade right now because it has not reached this supply area yet. So it would be rather risky because we are trading based on no confirmation at this point. So what I would do is I would wait for the price to reach this point here, as it is the recent resistance or supply area. Considering the price has reached this zone and there's a signal here, I'll be taking this trade. So let's short. Put the stop loss slightly higher than this because it's a bit too tight. And you might want to take the full target here, which is target 4. Let's see how this trade plays out. Right, so the target hit target 4. Notice that there's an entry signal for buy. I wouldn't be taking this buy position here because it's against my trading bias. Trading based on reversals is a very risky game. And lastly, for the tip that I promised in the beginning of the video earlier, if you wish to take on the entire price move here, what you could do is, once the price has reached this target here, you could close half of your position or any amount partially, set your stop loss to break even or maybe slightly in profit, maybe 10% in profit, and then let the price ride. Maybe you could add in a cheeky little 10, 20, 30 pips here, and finally close full position. Also guys, be sure to check the link in the description below for the broker that I use. I am using Tickmill, which is a broker with a super low spread and super low commission. I'm talking about $2 per lot, which is like 2 cents per 0.01 lot. Use the link in the description for a 5% discount in commission. Also guys, be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out my live stream, as I will be taking this kind of trade that you've seen in this video live. Currently I believe I'm at 7 wins and 3 losses. So yeah, that's it for now. See you guys later.